Okay guys, so this is find the missing side of each triangle. Round your answers to the nearest tenth if necessary. So basically when you see these specifically, you're gonna use the height Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theory. Yeah. So the Pythagorean theory is a squared plus b squared. Oh, oops. Is equal to c squared. So boom. Basically, how we find our c squared is we just draw a line out from right here. Do you see this like that little point right there? Like right there? You draw that line out, and whatever side it points to, that is your c. Okay. And the numbers for everything else doesn't really matter. So let's just say that 11.3 squared plus x is equal to 14.5 squared. So this is your a squared plus your b squared. Oh, I forgot to square that, sorry. Your c squared. And I'll make this easier for you guys. So let's do your a, your b. Can this be like a little darker per chance? And then this will be your c. I don't feel like switching in between all my markers right now. But this is your your c, your b, and your a. Anyways, so let's go ahead and scroll those. Oh my god, guys. A bug is crawling on my Chromebook right now. I don't like that. 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 Did I kill it? It was like a little ant. Papa. Where did it go? I think I killed it. But I told you my room's really clean. There's no mess in my room. I don't understand that. But anyways. Why is just my day not just going great? So, oh, my head hurts really bad. So let me switch. Let me get my little thing. Where's 11.3 squared? Okay, there we go. So 11.3 squared is equal to 1.27.69, right? And then x squared, obviously we don't know. And then rc squared, 14.5. Whoa, 0.5 squared. 0.5 squared is equal to 210.2. Yeah, let's just do that. Unless we want to be like really approximate with it. Usually, if we get like a really long decimal, you just take the two last numbers. The two numbers. But let's say like the 9 and 6/9 was a 0, you would just put 6. You know what I mean? Anyway, so then let's type out our equation. So 1.27.69 plus x squared is equal to 210.25. We're going to put this one over here because at this point now we're like solving for x. Minus 1 point, where'd my phone go? Sorry, I'm trying to do the math. 210.25 minus 127.69. 7.69 is equal. Oh shit. Okay, wait. We're moving this one over there, by the way. So then we got x squared is equal to 82.5 5, 6, and we kept that in there because it's like not a 0. But anyways, now this is your I think this is your approx answer right here. Let's use, this is your approx right here, and then we need to finish the rest. So then we're gonna square it. We're gonna square root. How do I square root on my phone? How do I guys, how do I do this? Oh, did I find it out? 2.56. No. That ain't right. No, that's right. I was looking at the wrong one. Yeah, we squared it. And we squared it to get rid of this little thing right here. You see? Okay, boom. Next one. You draw the line out. This is your, hold on. This is your C. This is your, this is your B. This can be your B if you want. If you want, it doesn't really matter. All you need to make sure is just the C squared is whatever is pointing out from right there. Anyways, so let's fill it in now. We're going to do our x squared plus 5.8 squared is equal to our 15.6 squared. And then let's, how do I delete everything from here? That's so much. How do I just clear it? Why can't I just clear it like that? It's fucking retarded. It's 5.8 squared. That is x squared. I'm gonna just start writing it up because, guys, I'm tired. I've been doing this all day. So 5.8 squared is this. And then, do I really have to like do that every time? 15.6 is equal to 243.36. Now let's get this on the other side. Minus 33.64 because we're kind of like solving for x, remember? 33.64. 33.64. That is equal to x squared equals 209.72. And we need to get rid of the square, but this is your approx. And then we're gonna square root. Oh, that's where that button was. Ow, my head hurts really, really bad. How did I do that? 209.72. Oh shit. 209.72. So let's, yeah, I used the wrong button. Give me a second, bear with me, guys. 209.7. It's because I'm doing the one down below. Oh. Wait, I literally had it, so it doesn't matter whatever one I use. Okay. So sorry, guys, bear with me. And then after you square root it, it's gonna be x is equal to 14, and the decimal was 0.48, but you're 2 away, so might as well just make it 5 exact. Or you can just write like the actual decimal. Whatever, you don't get grades taken off if you don't like round up or something. Okay, boom. That's our C. Let's go 8.7 squared plus x squared is equal to 14.5 squared. This is your this is your A. What the flip? This is your B, and then this is your C. Okay, let's go. 8.7 squared is 75.69 plus x squared hold on, that doesn't look like a 9, that's a 9 though. Why can't I go back? Oh my god, this is so fucking retarded. 14.5. I just can't, I can't do anything right now. What? That's not, I said 14.5 squared. There we go, thank you. 210 minus 2, 5, but at the same time, we'll write the 5, minus, oh god, sorry. I was trying to multitask, guys, and I can't multitask. Minus 75.69. That is equal to x squared. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then that's your approx. And then square root this to get your exact. So boom. Now let's do that. .6. Okay, so x is equal to 11.6 exact. Yup, we're eating this up right now. Oh, I think we forgot to do one up here. Boom, arrow out. So it's just gonna be 8.7 squared plus 8.3 squared is equal to x squared. Because this time our C is like not given to us. A, B, C. Mind you, like, there's no specific order to put your A or your B in. You can choose, like, your 8.7 can be your B. You know what I mean? But, like, I don't know. I'm just doing whatever. As long as your C squared is whatever that arrow points to. Okay, anyway, so get back to work. 8.7 squared is 75.69 plus, oh my god, guys, I think I'm glitching out. 8.3 squared, 6.889, which is equal, wait, hold on, let me just add those together. 75.69, which, oh my god, that's 144.58 is equal to x squared, whatever this is, your approx is 0.44.58. Boom. X squared. And then x is equal, you're going to do the little thing where you're going to square root it. So 1.44.58, which is 1202. So there's no point. We can just put a fucking 12. Yep. I'm checking my answers. Everything is right, guys. This is really rad. Okay, find your C squared, whatever points out from there, which is this. Hold on, let me whip back out my calculator. So let's say 8.3 is our A, and then plus, oh my god, plus x squared. Y'all gonna piss me off. Oh my god, guys, I just let out my like British slang. Equals 8.7 squared. Let's do 8.3 squared. 68.89 plus x2 is equal to 8.7. And then we're going to minus this, 68.89. Shut up. And that means that is equal to x squared is equal to 6.8. This is our approx. And then we gotta get rid of the squared. So, oh my god, bad. I'm gonna square root it, and then that is x is equal to 2.6. We got that by square rooting. Let me check. Are we on question 23? No, we're on question 25. That's what I thought. Yep. Oh. I just realized. Your exact is with the square root. Approx. Let me just make a note. Exact is equal to x squared. Approx. Just x. No x squared. Boom, guys, little note for you. Yeah. Anyways, so let's find our c. Our c is our x. Let's go. 6.2 squared plus 4.1 squared. 6.2 squared. Oh, so that's equal to x squared. So that's 38.44 plus, now do 4.1 squared, which is 16.81. You add those together, 0.44. Sorry guys, I'm just like working while I go. Because these two numbers, since they're on the same line, you might as well just combine them. You gotta combine my terms, is equal to x squared. And then boom, your exact. That's not even, okay, I don't even know what's happening. X squared is equal to 55.25. And then your approx, you're gonna square root to get rid of the squared on the x. And then that is going to be x is equal to 7.4. There's a 3, but it's like, you don't need to. Boom, guys. We just found the missing side of each triangle.